Welcome to this tutorial on managing roles in ZenInbox. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to create and manage roles for your organization effectively. Access the Manage Roles section. Start by navigating to the Manage Roles option under the Organization section in the sidebar. This is where you can create, edit, and assign roles within your organization. Add a new role. Click the red Add Role button in the top right corner to create a new role. A pop-up will appear where you can configure the role details. Role name. Enter a name for the role, such as admin or team member. Description. Provide a brief description of the role's purpose. Role permissions. Select the permissions you want to assign to this role. For example, permissions for mailboxes, contacts, and workspaces. Assign permissions. Scroll through the list of permissions and check the boxes for the actions you want to allow. For example, you can enable viewing, creating, updating, or deleting mailboxes, managing contacts, tasks, or workspaces. Once done, click Add Role to save the new role. View and edit roles. After adding a role, it will appear in the roles list. Here, you can view details such as the role name, the assigned permissions, the creator, and the creation date. To edit a role, click the three-dot menu under the Action column and choose Edit. Assign roles to members. Roles can be assigned to team members when managing teams. This ensures that members have the appropriate access and capabilities within ZenInbox. Efficient role management. Using the Manage Roles feature, you can streamline access control in your organization, ensuring that every member has the permissions they need to work efficiently. And that's it. Managing roles in ZenInbox is simple and intuitive, giving you full control over your team's access and responsibilities. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helps you make the most of ZenInbox's features.